Metonymy is a figure of speech that replaces the name of a thing with the name of something else which is closely associated. The first example is from William Shakespeare's Julius Caesar, which Antony says, "Friends, Romans, countrymen, lend me your ears." In this example, metonymy is used on the word ears to represent people's attention. Basically, Anthony is asking people to pay attention to his speech. The second example is written by English author Edward Bulwer Lytton. "The pen is mightier than the sword." This example has metonymy on the words pen and sword, which pen represents spoken words and ideas, sword represents violence. The sentence means the words are usually powerful than war and the violence. Because the word White House is closely related to the United States government, president, advisors, and important political affairs. Therefore, the White House represents the executive branch and the United States government. We usually use crown to describe monarchies and queens and kings. Hollywood is literally a district in Los Angeles, but because it has come to be linked to the entertainment business, celebrities, and movie making, it is a common example of metonymy. Instead of listing directors and filming areas, we just say Hollywood. The last example is from Charlotte Bronte's novel, Jane Eyre. In this example, Jane uses the phrase "a salt drop" to describe her tears. It is an example of metonymy because salt drops are often connected to tears, especially when people are sad. Is this a metonymy? No, it is not. This is a missed example. Although the breads are used to represent foods, this is actually an example of synecdoche. Synecdoche is a literary device in which a part of something represents a whole, or it may use a whole to represent a part. Metonymy represents one thing by using another thing that is closely related, while synecdoche uses parts to represent whole or use whole to represent part. Because both metonymy and synecdoche use one thing to represent another, this can be confusing.